He does it first. He got them both. They got them both.
I had to do him a bell. Oh, what? Did we hide? Oh, safety. What?
You can hide for a few seconds and then you have to peek every few seconds. You can't hide forever. You're hit?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna think I don't even know.
You just run up on him.
You can't.
Oh, he got the springer.
You can't cross the middle. I'm gonna make it so you can't. Next game you can't come back.
What if we both go at the same time? Because I honestly had my hand on the board and then you pulled it.
Pax!
Hacks! 3, 2, haha.
Oh, you suck.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, fuck you! Oh, here we go.
Smart strats.
Fuck my mag! What? Nope. Fix!
Uh-oh. You have to stay behind the barrels. Stay behind the barrels.
Oh, semi on that.
Okay.
Sweet.
Run out of gas.
Hey. Gun's dead.
This one?
Give me the trigger. Give me the trigger. I deserve the trigger. Cock?
No, I don't know.
Come on, man. You ain't got nothing on me. Hey, 93 art.
Hell yeah.
Semi only.
You only get one. They're out of ammo.
I thought he was out of ammo.
They got a springer.
Fucking A, damn it.
First one to knock somebody out gets a new gun.
Knife kills are allowed? No, say it.
Should I give them each a handful?
Knife kills are allowed.
I don't have my knife. I have a real knife.
Good enough.
Nope. Got to be a knife, not a handgun or a hand.
That's the best way to break your ankles.
Fucking A, damn it.
Why'd you move up? You gotta stay back.
Jamming.
You gotta stay back, unless you're going for a knife kill.
Here, go pistol, sweep it.
Nope.
Just tap them. It's allowed.
You gotta fall back, or I'll shoot you.
Got him.
Oh, no, I got you.
You're dead. He's not. You're you're dead.
Oh, that hurt.
Did you pistol at me?
No. Wait.
How much ammo you got?
Like 4 bullets? Enough bullets
Hey, come
for
pistol with me.
PBs.
Come pistol with me.
Yeah, that just needs to be oiled, man.
Shooting gas.
Yeah, because the spring on it, like the